Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can sign up for Happy Scribe. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And after you've done that, now go to the search bar and start typing www.happyscribe.com. After you've done that, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Happy Scribe. Here you can see this is the official website and all you have to do is click on this option, try for free. After you've done that, here you can see this is the sign up page, and if you want to continue with your Google account, you can click on this option, continue with Google account, and if you want to continue with any SSO, you can click on this. But I'm going to sign up manually, so in order to do that, first of all, add in your email address, and after you have added your email address, now click on create a new account. So in here, you can see this page will open and you have to choose what would you like to create. If you're sure about creating your transcript or subtitles or dub, you can choose on these options. But if you're not really sure, you can click on this option. I'll do it later. I'm going to click on this option. And in here now you have to choose why you would use your Happy Scribe. I'm going to do it for my personal reasons, so I'm going to click on personal. If you want to use it for your work, you can click on it. If you want to use it for your school, you can click on it. I'm going to click on personal. And just like this, you can see you have now successfully signed up for Happy Scribe account. And on the left side, on the bottom right here, you can see your mail address right here. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can sign up for Happy Scribe. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.